Meteorologist Rebecca Kopelman here, and after a record-breaking stretch of spring weather, we are coming to an end now with a winter storm that will bring showers, thunderstorms, snow, and wind. Everything is coming on back here across the Midwest, and we do have actually blizzard warnings posted in spots that were in the 50s, 60s, and even 70s earlier this week, and those blizzard warnings go from far eastern parts of South Dakota and Nebraska, and then all the way through parts of northwestern Iowa and into southern Minnesota. Further to the south, there are winter weather advisories, and in purple and in the pinks, we have winter storm warnings. And this is going to bring some pretty decent snowfall amounts to parts of Iowa, parts of Minnesota, and for the local area, we have about 4 to 8 inches of snow near and northwest of Waterloo, with locally higher amounts possible, especially near the Minnesota border. In between Tama, Waterloo to Dubuque, about 2 to 4 inches, and then down near I-80 to about Highway 30, including Iowa City and Cedar Rapids, about 1 inch and possibly close to 2 inches near Cedar Rapids. And across all of the Midwest, here's what one model is putting out, the GFS, the American model, and it has that heavy swath of snow going through where those blizzard warnings are, and potentially spots that could receive 8 to 10 inches of snow. Further down to the south, it does start to taper off, but the heavy snow does continue into parts of Wisconsin. And the reason for this is because the storm is going to take a track just to the south of the state of Iowa, but it is a pretty close call. If it varies anywhere north or south, that could lead to a big difference in the snowfall totals. But we'll start off with showers and storms Thursday night into Friday morning, and then later on, as this low passes off to the east, cold air starts to move in, and a transition to snow will begin across eastern Iowa and into parts of Wisconsin and Illinois as well, and then cold air will follow. So zooming in here, you can see showers and storms moving through Thursday night into Friday, and then snow already beginning up in northern Iowa and into Wisconsin and Minnesota. Then Friday morning, start to see a bit of a transition ongoing near Highway 20. And that continues to transition to all snow by Friday afternoon, and that'll lead to the light snowfall accumulations down in southern parts of the area, and that will start to come to an end on Saturday morning. This system will also put out some decent rainfall totals. Here's what it looks like across the part of eastern Iowa, our local area, where it could rack up about a ½ inch to maybe 1 inch of rain, and further to the north, most of that's going to be falling in the form of snow. Then cold settles in for this weekend, and pretty different from what we experienced this past week.